Team Centauri guys. So thank you so much for the support and big love from us and from you guys. I hope that after nito support niyo rin po kami. Thank you so much!
Yes, ano ba si Universe? Yeah? The English man.
Can we hear for the games one more time? I'll keep it short. Thank you so much for supporting Sparks from season 1, season 2.
Yeah.
Ayan, copy-paste lang. So, again, thank you to the whoever.
Ayan na, sige.
You're all here. Thank you guys.
Woo! And of course, let's give it up for Ella!
Sarap maging bakla tonight!
Ay, sa totoo lang, ang sarap talaga maging baklasis.
Masarap talaga ang mga bakla, kaya sana tumami pa tayo, di ba?
Tumatawin tayo, mga tayo living organisms.
Kaya abangan na natin ang finale episode. Thank you po sa support ninyo. Sana tuloy-tuloy yung support sa lahat ng mga darating pang queer content from all queer content creators. Maraming salamat po.
Ito naman ang aking mahal, Zure!
Konti na lang po malalaman ng pagkakit yung kanina namin ibibigay yung mga sparks namin. Sana walang magagalit.
Oo nga, walang magagalit kasi nga po, pag kayo po'y nagalit, bahala kayo dyan, buhay nyo yan. Ito ba ang aking, ito ang kumari ko mo, Seichi!
Sobrang daming girls dito. Thank you for supporting our Geishen. I hope you enjoy Sparks Cup finale and also Japanese episode.
Yeah. Ito ang ating baby girl ang season 2, Lily!
Sobrang pasabog kasi dalawang episode ang matutunghayan nyo ang ating finale at syempre ang episode 2 ng Drag Race Philippines Season 3. So, yeah, thank you so much.
Ito ang hashtag na Pako ka na ba? Ladies and gentlemen, Pako!
I just want to keep it short and sweet. I just want to say thank you to everyone here who's been supporting the show since day 1. And of course, this wouldn't be here without you guys. And of course, let's also support Drag Race Season 2, episode Drag Race Season 3, episode 2. So yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you. Have a good night.
Ito ang aking sister pa rin to sa drag community. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for EJ! Hindi na siya si EJ ngayon mga kaibigan. Give it up for Mark Cobra!
Hi guys! So, pasensya na kayo wala si EJ. Kasi nagtatampo ako lagi si EJ yung nasa viewing parties. So, ngayon naman nandito si Markova. Hello! Hi, greetings!
Palakpakan natin sila mga kaibigan. But wait, there's more! Eto na ang ating mother's partner. Give it up for Miss Bella Abidjan!
being in the presence with the most lovable and colorful community that I know will be sharing the same love and the same hope for equality, for recognition, and most of all, for respect. Kaya naman tonight, we won't just be viewing one but two queer Filipino content. So let's continue celebrating Filipino greatness of every LGBTQIA+ person. Kaya maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo ngayong gabi para sa Sparks Camp finale. That's a Drag Race Philippines Season 2, Episode 2. Let's enjoy the night and let the sparks fly!
Yes! Miss Vera! Ayan, madami nagtatanong po. Mga Ambers, pwede po kayong bumaba. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Sorry po sa inyo, ha? Oo, sige po. Ayan, di mo na kayo, Ken. Oo. Go back to your seats and pray, ha? Oo. Kung sino pa talaga. Miss Bella, ayan po, marami nagtatanong na missing in action ka daw. Saan ka ba pumunta?
Yes, nasa Spain ako now. I'm finishing my master's degrees. So, Filipino pride, queer pride tayo. We are deepening our knowledge of the world and expanding our potential as a trans woman.
Yes. As a trans woman and as a transmitter. This finale episode na, anong conclusion thoughts mo sa pagtatapos ng season mo?
Siguro ang pinakamaganda sa lahat is tinanggap niyo po muli ang Sparks Camp. Without your support, Sparks Camp won't be a success. Last year, Sparks Camp was introduced. And most of you know that the start of Sparks Camp was quite controversial. People said the campers weren't diverse enough. But now, we present to you campers of diverse stories, and hopefully you were able to relate to their stories of queerness, mula sa kanilang sweet secrets down to their coming out stories, sa kanilang mga sex stories, at sa iba't iba pang mga kwento. Tonight, you will be seeing hearts broken. But also tonight, you will also be seeing broken hearts that actually found hope in being broken. Kasi ang spark ay hindi nagmumula sa iba. Spark will always begin with you.
Wow! I love that. Oh, palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Bella Agile!